So here we will discuss about constants and variables. So constants are fixed values and they remain unchanged during the execution of the program. The constants are classified as follows: numerical constants, character constants, string constants. And a numerical constant, integer and real constant is there. That is decimal, octal comes under integer, and a float and double comes under real. So integer constant. So it is type of numerical constant. It consists of sequence of digits without any decimal point. And different number systems like decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So decimal number 0 to 9, octal 0 to 7, hexadecimal 0 to 9. After that A, B, C, D, E, F. And real constants, it is a sequence of numeric digits with presence of a decimal point. Next is the character constant. So it contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quote marks. And example, it is with a single quotes DR6. Next is string constant. It's a sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. Characters may be letters, numbers, special characters and blank spaces. At the end of the string, /0 is automatically placed. Next is the variables. Variable is identifier that is used to represent some specific data type of information within the designated portion of the program. So the variable may be different values at different times during execution, called memory location. It contains a storage area to hold data. It is also called identifier. The value of the variable can be changed during the execution. So the rule for naming the variable is same as the naming identifier. Declaration of variables specify its name, data types and the range of values that variables can store depends upon the data types. The syntax is int a, character C, float F. Variable initialization. So when we assign any initial value to variable, during the declaration it is called initialization of variable. So when variable is declared, it contains undefined value. The variable is initialized with the assignment operator such as data type, variable name, constant. So int a equal to 20 or int a equal to 20, like this. And program to print an integer. So it is a very simple program. Hash include stdio.h is a library function and a main function, and int number, printf, enter the integer. So what integer we have to give? That we have to give, it reads the same number, that is scanf %d, and the address will be stored in the number. Printf, the number the integer what you entered will print and return 0. So the output is enter an integer 25. So you enter 25 is the output. Type of variables: local, global and static variables. Local variables, if you want to use single variable for many functions, global variables are used. So local variable is variable declared with block and local to the block. And all global variables are initialized to 0 as default. So global variables are stored in a data segment in a memory. Static variables, so it retains the value in the function calls and initialized during the first call itself. It is stored in the data segment memory location of the global variable. It is initialized to 0 by default. So the example is given.